Hi, my name is Marilyn and today we'll be unboxing the Aruba AP-615. If you find this video useful, please click like and subscribe to stay up to date with all the latest content.
The Aruba 610 series is the entry-level Wi-Fi 6E capable access point from Aruba. These access points are capable of operating in the newly opened 6 GHz spectrum in addition to the traditional 2.4 and 5 GHz. Let's get straight to the unboxing. Here you have your startup guide and safety, warranty and compliance documentation. AP-615 being the entry model is very similar in size and weight to its predecessor, the AP-505. There is nothing else in the box. On the front, you can see the removable sticker with your serial number and MAC addresses. At the bottom, there are 4 LED status lights indicating system status and the status for each of the 2 radios. It is important to note that AP-615 is tri-band, but only dual radio, which means it can only operate in 2 of the bands at any given time, unlike its larger cousins AP-635 and AP-655, which are both tri-radio. Over here, you have a Kensington lock socket, and on the top, there is a USB port which can be used to connect downstream devices like a 4G modem. At the back, you can see the pre-installed base of the mounting bracket. This mounting bracket is the same one used by the Aruba AP-500 series. The top part of the mounting brackets are separately orderable SKUs. Check out our AP-500 series indoor mounting brackets video for more details. There's a micro USB console port. You will need a separately orderable proprietary console cable in order to use it. In here is the reset button. You will need a pin to reach it if you ever need to use it. Here is the power adapter socket. Do note that the power adapter is not included with the AP. You will have to order it separately if required, but it is easier to power the unit using PoE. There is a single Ethernet port recessed on the side, making it possible to mount the unit more flush with the ceiling. The Ethernet port is smart rate and capable of supporting up to 2.5 gig data rate. And there you have it. For more information, check out the library at phoenixpro.club. If you found the video useful, please click like and subscribe to stay up to date with all the latest content. Thank you for watching!